I don't do this thing you're passing. You don't think I don't do this you're passing. Anything about why should you be like this now? Oga, greet Baba now, greet Baba. I know the car your motor go.
The mechanic workshop, the mechanic workshop,
you don't spoil.
Don't spoil now. I did go now.
Now we go somewhere. We go.
I know what now.
We go see for area later. See, I don't like to follow you. You don't know that much. No. Which man now? You get bastard money. If you see the motor when they drive, I know the. I'll show you. Wait. No. Okay, see his car. Now you get it. See him for there. You know they know anything. See how that one. He get money like mad. He get money like mad. Now how's we they do now? My guy, I know how's now. Just to do it for everything. Guy, man, tell you. You know why? You don't get any brain at all. If I tell you say hustle, now how they do your guy forget. But me say won't do Yahoo. Now no cost. Now 120. You just give me 120. For what? If you give me 120, I go give man. You go teach you everything what you need to know. Oga, forget. You don't fit do am. Forget. As if the police speaking now, nobody go know self. I get access to my daddy account. If you just transfer 120, I won't do that thing now. And transfer am come. Transfer for you. Yeah, transfer am now. Nice. You don't see a lot. You don't enter. Next tomorrow. Come to my house. Take me to that. Come to I go carry you go your house. You go teach me. You go teach you. Boy, me say go get one you. Look at this one. You don't sabi anything. Baba, what did you do for you now?
I workshop be this now.
What?
I dey hustle now. Not my workshop be this.
You the carpenter?
So you don't know.
But what about all those exotic cars we drive?
Those cars. Now my friend get now. Give me my money. I dey have to sell am online.
Hey! I hear me, bad me.
All those big house, Nko.
I dey have to sell my friend get now.
Collect my dad.
Get that go.
Why now I'm too much?
Officer!
You think say they wise?
Officer!
You're a mumu man.
Come on, come on, give me come pay me.